With super stable flight, a new flight challenge. Experience the next generation of Bladerunner series technology. Based on an award-winning coaxial rotor design, the Extreme Indoor Rescue Helicopter is the world's most stable helicopter with unmatched flight control. Test your skill and fly rescue missions to recover the action figure with the Rescue Helicopter's recovery line. The high-tech lithium polymer battery powers super long flights and is easily charged with the portable charger. Two-channel digital proportional radio control give the precision needed to execute the most difficult maneuvers. It's addictive fun for lads and dads. The Extreme Indoor Rescue Helicopter is taking off.